Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3D 1040, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you can mute the music by clicking at the bottom left corner, and then click on bottom right one to access settings at the top. Then click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those settings however you wish to. Finally, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Then when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!